Hello, my name is April and welcome to the Yoga Ranger Studio and welcome to this very special practice. Today we're working with pranayama or breath regulation to help guide us into deeper sleep, deeper rest, and help unwind the tension of the day through the breath. So oftentimes we'll find that we need to move or shift or do rituals that we need to help settle us into a sleep practice. This would be great to include in that. You can either do it before you go to bed, or you could actually do this practice in bed, lying down, comfortably supported, right before you go to sleep. And that is how I would actually recommend you use it, is right before you go to sleep. So we're going to start with just really noticing the breath, and we're going to work with a couple of different breath practices. We're going to work with something called vagus activation, which the vagus helps us come into that parasympathetic nervous system, that rest, digest, heal, calm, soothing part of our nervous system. And also the three-part breath, so really breathing into the belly, chest, collarbones, the whole canister of the breath, and finally finishing it out with one of my favorite breaths to use right before bed, which is the 4-7-8 count breath. So finding yourself as comfortable as you need to be, getting yourself all settled into bed, turn the lights down low or off, and just listen to the sound of my voice as I guide you through this practice. So if you want to, you can close your eyes or soften your gaze and just notice your breath in this moment. Has it been a hustle and a bustle to get ready for bed or get everybody into that bedtime routine? Or has it been a very calming, soothing evening and you feel ready to shift into that nighttime? Noticing your breath can tell you a lot about that. Is your breath stronger? Is it more shallow? Is it centered in the chest or the belly or the collarbones, left or right? Just notice where you feel that breath and let your mind anchor here in that space where you feel the breath the most. And now gently placing one hand on your belly and one hand on the center of your chest. You're just going to breathe into these hands. So starting with the hand on the belly, just breathe into the belly. And then allow it to move up into the chest. And then feel the collarbones and shoulders open a little bit. So you'll feel your shoulders roll open. And exhale, the shoulders soften back in. The chest comes down, the belly comes down. Keeping that three-part breath for another few breaths. Inhaling belly, chest, collarbones. Exhaling collarbones, chest, belly. See if you can feel that breath expanding to the side body and to the back, the low back, the mid back, and the shoulder blades. See if with each exhale your shoulders soften down a little bit more. Your body feels a little bit calmer, more rested. One more three-part breath here. And if you want to really keep your hands there, you can keep them there. You can let them come off to the sides. Notice how your breath feels here as it returns to its organic state. Then we're going to take 3 clearing breaths and start with that vagus activation breath. So inhaling, exhaling, let your breath extend a little bit longer. Almost like you're sighing out and letting it go. And we're going to do that same with inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. So nice deep inhale through the nose. Sip in a little bit more. And exhaling it all out through your mouth. You can sigh and make an audible sound. Inhaling. A little bit more. Exhale it all out with a sigh. And last one, inhaling. This time just exhaling it out through the mouth. Notice your natural breath. Check in with your body. If you feel you need to do a couple more of those inhales through the nose, exhale through the mouth, feel free to do those. Sighing can be really releasing for tension held in the body from the day. Now we're going to work with that 4-7-8 breath. We're going to take 4 counts on our inhale. We're going to hold at the top of the inhale for 7. And we're going to exhale for the count of 8. So I'm going to walk you through the first few, and then I'm just going to kind of guide you through the inhale, exhale part of it and hold. So I'll count it off for the first few, and then we'll sort of let you kind of experience it a little bit more. On your next inhale, inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Gently let your breath return to whatever state it naturally returns to. I will let you drift off to sleep here. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me. May you be happy. May you be safe and protected. May you be at peace.